Let me be very clear from the start. AI adoption is no longer optional. Every company knows it, every board knows it, every leadership team is talking about it, and yet most AI projects are failing. Not slowing down, not underperforming, failing. And I'm not guessing. I have spent more than 25 years inside IT systems, development, architecture, enterprise platforms, support, transformation. I see this every single day. AI is not failing because the technology is weak, but AI is failing because companies don't know where AI belongs. Here is what is happening everywhere. Leadership says, we need AI. Business units are told, inject AI into your processes, but nobody explains what that actually means. So project managers are confused, architects are confused, developers are confused, team leads, DevOps leads, infrastructure leads are confused. Even HR and finance teams are told to use AI with no clarity. People start asking the wrong questions. Which AI tool should we use? Should we use ChatGPT? Should we automate this process? That is not the real problem. The real problem is this. AI is being pushed into systems that were never designed for clarity. You cannot inject intelligence into chaos and expect results. You will only get faster chaos. AI does not fix broken processes. AI does not fix unclear ownership. AI does not fix bad system design. AI only amplifies what already exists. If your system is weak, AI will expose it. If your thinking is unclear, AI will magnify it. This is where most companies lose control. And this is exactly where architect thinking becomes critical. Architects do not start with tools. Architects start with structure. Architects start with decisions. Now, listen carefully. I'm going to give you a clear, step-by-step way to place AI correctly. This applies whether you are a developer, architect, project manager, lead, or even working in HR or finance. Step 1. Start with decisions, not tasks. AI should never start at automation. AI should start at decisions, repetitive decisions, high volume decisions, low risk decisions. For example, classifying support tickets, summarizing documents, detecting patterns in logs, preparing reports, routing requests. If a decision happens frequently, follows rules, and has clear boundaries, it is a candidate for AI. If a decision has legal risk, regulatory risk, or unclear accountability, AI should assist, not decide. This one step alone eliminates most bad AI initiatives. Step 2. Decide how AI participates, not replaces. There are only 3 valid roles for AI. Assist, where AI suggests and humans decides. Augment is where AI prepares and humans validates. Automate is where AI decides, but only inside strict controlled rules. Most companies skip this step. They jump straight to automation. That is why they fail. If you cannot clearly explain what AI does, what humans do, and who owns the outcome, you are not ready for AI. Step 3. Place AI at the edges first, not the core. This is critical. AI should enter systems at the edges. Support request handling, monitoring, log analysis, knowledge retrieval, documentation, reporting. These are safe, powerful entry points. What you should not touch first: core financial logic, regulatory enforcement, security rules, mission critical business decisions. AI must observe before it controls, suggest before it decides, support before it replaces. Architects understand this instinctively. Most organizations ignore it. Step 4. Define ownership and failure modes. This is where maturity shows. Ask these questions clearly. Who owns the AI outcome? Who reviews AI decisions? What happens when AI is wrong? How do we roll back? How do we explain this to auditors, regulators, or customers? If no one can answer these questions, AI should not be deployed. This is not fear. This is professional responsibility. Developers, use AI as an assistant, not a shortcut. Let AI help you think faster, not think less. Design AI like any other system component, with boundaries, with constraints, with accountability. Project managers, stop accepting AI requirements without decision clarity. No decision, no AI. Leads and managers, protect your teams from random AI mandates. AI without structure destroys teams. HR and finance, start with insights, summaries, and recommendations. Not final decisions. Everyone has a role in AI adoption, but only if the thinking is clear. Let me leave you with this. AI is not magic. AI is not a shortcut. AI is not a strategy. AI is a multiplier. If your systems are clear, AI will make them powerful. If your systems are confused, AI will make them collapse faster. That is why AI projects are failing. Not because of technology, because of thinking. On this channel, I don't chase tools. I explain how technology actually works in the real world. If you want clarity instead of confusion, subscribe. Stop learning random tech. Start thinking like an architect.